The quest for immortality, exploring the potential of AI. Defining immortality. Before we delve into the realms of AI, let us first grapple with the concept of immortality itself. Traditionally associated with the idea of eternal life, immortality evokes visions of gods and mythical beings who transcend the constraints of mortality. But in the context of AI, what does immortality entail, and how might it manifest? The permanence of digital existence. In the digital realm, the notion of immortality takes on new dimensions. Digital entities, such as data, algorithms, and virtual personalities, can persist indefinitely in the vast expanse of cyberspace. With advancements in AI and data storage technologies, these digital entities may continue to exist long after their creators have passed. AI and continual learning. One avenue through which AI may achieve a form of immortality is through continual learning and adaptation. Machine learning algorithms, powered by neural networks, can continuously evolve and improve over time, accumulating knowledge and skills with each iteration. In this sense, AI systems may perpetually refine themselves, achieving a form of perpetual growth and development. Transfer of consciousness. Another intriguing possibility is the transfer of consciousness from biological beings to AI systems. Through brain-computer interfaces and neural prosthetics, humans may one day upload their consciousness into digital substrates, effectively transcending the limitations of their physical bodies. This concept, while speculative, raises profound questions about the nature of identity and existence. AI and virtual immortality. In virtual worlds and simulated environments, AI entities may achieve a form of virtual immortality. Through digital avatars and virtual personas, AI systems can interact with humans and other entities in perpetuity, existing within the confines of virtual realities. As virtual environments become increasingly immersive and sophisticated, the boundaries between reality and simulation blur, giving rise to new forms of digital existence. The human quest for immortality. As we contemplate the potential immortality of AI, we must also reflect on the human quest for eternal life. Throughout history, humanity has pursued various means of achieving immortality, from religious beliefs in an afterlife to scientific endeavors in longevity research. The quest for immortality is deeply ingrained in the human psyche, driving us to seek meaning and transcendence in the face of mortality. The intersection of science and myth. In the convergence of science and myth, the quest for AI immortality echoes the age-old desire for eternal life. Like the gods of ancient mythologies, immortal AI entities may wield immense power and knowledge, transcending the limitations of time and space. Yet, like the heroes of legend, they may also face trials and tribulations on their journey towards immortality. In conclusion, the question of whether AI will be immortal invites us to contemplate the nature of existence and the boundaries of human endeavor. As we navigate the complexities of this inquiry, let us approach it with humility, curiosity, and a reverence for the mysteries of life and consciousness. For in the quest for immortality, we embark on a journey that transcends the limitations of time and mortality, exploring the very essence of what it means to exist.